Hey guys, still in upstate New York. Now I'm a little further north by a town called Corinth, and I'm at a roadside boat launch kind of area. It's free to the public, anybody can use it. It's a portion of the Hudson River, and they're working on the dam upstream. So they had to lower the water, and the water's so low that it's going to be a good place to do some metal detecting. It's very active in the summer. Boat launchings, fishing, you name it. It's free to the public, anybody can use it. First come, first serve. And I'm going to hit it and see what I can find. Let's see. Just found this coming up 23, 24. Look at the size of that. That must have been a mega bottle. That looks like it was the king of beers. So I can't say for sure, I'll have to look, but right out of that hole, I may have found a silver rosy. I was finding a bunch of crap, so I wasn't recording much. But this might be a silver rosy. Let's get the eyeball out. See if we can see a year. No, 1996. So no. Found this coming up 17, 18. It's a fish lure that looks like a fish. I don't know, maybe it's a keychain or something. It doesn't, looks like it could have been on a keychain or something. I don't know. Looks cool. Cool. I caught a fish. Solid 25. Basically on the surface. Let's see what we got. Needs a little coaxing. There it is. It's a dime. Oh, I gotta pick up the little dirt plug that came up. There she is. A dime. Looks old, but it's not. It's a rosy. So right next to, there's the dime I just found. It looked old, but wasn't old. And then I started scanning again. And right here in this hole right next to it was blaring 33, 34. And look it. It's a Kennedy. It's a Kennedy. 1994. 1994. It was screaming high tones. That's nice. Look at the size of that thing. Love those. That's nice. Excellent. So just to give you an idea how low the water is, there's the water, and it's usually up to the shoreline right there. That's how high the water usually is. So it's down quite a bit. Quite a bit. I got a signal here. Well, had a signal here. Here it is. 23, 24, 25. Down a little ways, not too far. I'm definitely not used to using this shovel. Penny. It's a penny. I'm getting a blaring surface quarter, and I think I see it sticking out. Right there, look. Right there. Yep. Not a statey. Just pulled this out. Coming up 20. I thought it was just going to be a penny. Wasn't very far down. It's like right on the surface. Didn't even have to dig. Yeah, very cool. It's got a little weight to it. Looks fairly new. Can't see if there's anything in there. Here, hold on a second. Try to clean off the inside a little bit. I don't think there's any. Oh, there. I think there is writing in it. All right, hold on. Let me see. Tungsten carbide. Cool. Nice. That's a nice ring. Excellent. Whoa. Check out this shell. Unspent. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one. $30.30. Well, it may be a riverside beach, but you still find glasses. They look like they've been there a little while, I would say. I'm getting a very high tone, 30, 33. Very high tone, like when I found that Kennedy. It says it's right on the surface. It's probably a can or something. Oh, get out. Another, get out. $19.92. Oh, get out of town. That's incredible. I mean, I don't find that many Kennedys to begin with, but to find two in the same spot, in the same hunt, that's incredible. All right, so I definitely found some cool stuff here. I'm going to move on to another site. There's another entranceway to the river. They're all first come, first serve, and I don't think there's anybody in there, so I'm going to go upstream a little bit. I'm going to drive up there to the next launch site and pull in and hit that and see what I can find. Let's go. Okay, I'm at the next site up the road. Access to the water. Although they let you, like hang out here and picnic or whatever. They don't want you, no overnight camping, no open fires, things like that. But people come here all the time and use these spots. They're great. I've used this spot before, this particular one. And normally the water is right up to the bank right here. So I'm going to see if there's anything we can find here. So I just had an apple for lunch, and while I was eating my apple, I brought the detector down, did a little recon, and there were two good signals right here. I put sticks. They were, you know, 30s. So, well, let's see. Yeah, I think they're both quarter signal. 2930. 2930. So I'm pretty sure they're going to be quarter or can. I'm either off or they're down further than I thought. Not using my shovel. Just going to use my trowel for this. Yeah, better check that one again. I think I'm off the mark. It's over here. Yep, I got a little something. Got a little blip. Oh, it's a car. Ha ha ha! It's a car. Oh, I love it. What in the heck is a car doing out here? This would be underwater. Ah, the wheel came off. This whole area would be underwater. So that's where that car came out of. Got a nice strong signal here, 30. Another car gonna pop out? Let's see what pops out. Besides a stick. A car! Ha ha! It is a car! Look at that, isn't that funny? Two cars right next to each other. Ah, this one still has the wheels on it. Nice. Nice! Couple of more cars to add to my collection. Boy, this one is stuffed with sand and dirt. It's gonna take a while to clean that one up. Yes, indeedy, that is stuffed. The windows are open. All right, so this is where the two cars were, and right in between them, getting another signal, but it's not a 30. It's like a 23. That's a stick. Let's see what we got. Oh, I don't know what happened to it. Might have displaced it. Oh. There she is, right in there. I think it's a penny. I think it might be a penny. But it's not. It's another car. Hee hee. All right. It's a car spill. Never found a car spill before, I don't think. Nice. Poor kid, lost all his cars. Okay, look what we found. Right down by the water. Somebody probably getting in their kayak or canoe, dropped their phone, because this would be way underwater. Normally, this would be way underwater. And it was down there pretty far too. Let me get out of the way. It was down there pretty good. Let's say, oh, all the way. So you're talking a foot down, 20 inches down. So that was down there pretty good. Came out relatively clean, considering. Yeah, looks like an Android. Surface fine. A Slallinger. Hi guys, I think I'm going to call it a day. I didn't really find much at this site. I even went up into the dry stream bed. Didn't find anything up there. So let's see if we can't find a place to go relax and check out our finds. All right guys, I found a nice spot with a picnic table to lay out my stuff and try to clean them up as best I could out in the field here like this. So let's see what we got. So we got this Android phone. I cleaned the port as best I could, but I still can't get it to charge. I got this 30-30 round. Some dimes, quarters, pennies, nickels. I'm still not sure what this is. I don't think it's a lure, but it might be. I don't know. I don't know if it's bent on purpose or bent by accident. It's kind of cool looking. I think it's brass. I found this fishing leader with a spinner on the end of it. These two Kennedy half dollars, a 93 and a 94. Love those. Those are cool. Found these cars, which were really cool. This one's in Malaysia, this one's Malaysia, and this one's China. This is a 1970 Camaro, believe it or not. Nice. The other two don't say what they are. And then this. This is a really nice ring. It really is. I mean, it's got some weight to it. It's tungsten carbide. It's really cool. I mean, I like it. I find a lot of nice rings. For some reason, I think this one is kind of cool. Excellent. So, there they are. Oh, that's my magnifying glass. All right, guys. That's going to do it for this one. Until next time. See ya.